Welcome to our website's billing section. This part of our platform is designed to help you manage your billing information, view and pay your invoices, and track your payment history with ease. Whether you're here to update your payment details or check your latest bill, we've made the process as straightforward as possible. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the essential features of our billing section. By the end of this session, you'll know how to 1. Access your billing information. Navigate to the billing section from your account dashboard. Understand the layout and key areas within the billing section. 2. View and pay invoices. Check your current and past invoices. Use various payment options to settle your bills securely. 3. Update payment methods. Add or change your credit card, bank account, or other payment details. Ensure your payment information is up to date to avoid any interruptions in service. 4. Track your payment history. View a detailed history of your past transactions. Generate and download reports for your records. So, let's begin. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to our website, thehealthleap.ca. To access the website, you'll need to log in with your username and password and click Login. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up by clicking the Create an Account link on the homepage. Use your preferred multi-factor authentication app to generate a one-time passcode. Enter the one-time passcode in the designated field and select Verify OTP. Click on the Billing tab located in the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. This will take you directly to the Billing section, where you can manage all your financial interactions with us. On the Billing page, you'll see a quick summary of the details of your account on the top left box. Plan status, company name, plan interval, billing amount, start date, and renewal date. A Cancel Plan button is available if you wish to deactivate your account. The Change Plan box is located in the upper right corner of the billing page. Click View Plans to review the differences between each plan. Use the scroll-down menu to select a plan and click Change Plan. A confirmation prompt will ask you if you wish to proceed with the change of plan. This is to ensure that the user intentionally wants to proceed with the action, thereby preventing accidental changes. Click Add Card to update your payment method or update existing ones. Sensitive information is not stored on the website. It is securely kept by the third-party payment processor. Secure payment options are available, including credit cards and debit cards. Make sure your information is accurate to ensure a smooth processing of your payments. The bottom box on the billing page contains a summary of your current balance and recent invoices. Here you can see a complete record of all your payments. This includes the invoice number, date, paid amount, and status of each transaction. Simply click the download icon to view and download an invoice and/or receipt for your records or for accounting purposes. All downloaded files can be found in your Downloads folder in your computer. Managing your billing has never been easier. With our user-friendly billing section, you can stay on top of your financial commitments with minimal effort. Should you need any assistance, our customer support team is always here to help. Let me bid you farewell with this quote. Accurate and timely billing is not just a business process, it's a cornerstone of trust and efficiency that ensures a seamless experience for both the company and its customers. Thank you for choosing the HealthLeap HEP Creator, and we hope this guide helps you navigate the billing section with confidence. Have a great day ahead!